Today we are diving into a story that's been making waves in the entertainment world. The Amapiano star known for hits like Adiwele recently addressed allegations that he's gay. This isn't just about rumors, it's about identity, privacy and the pressures of fame. If you are new here, hit subscribe and let's explore Young Stunna's response. Young Stunna, whose real name is Sandile Msimango, has become a household name in South African music, with over 766,000 monthly listeners on Spotify. His rise to fame has been marked by hits and collaborations. Recently, Young Stunna made a video denying allegations made by Tebogo Mashego, the Birimarung hitmaker, that he's gay. In the video, Young Stunna denied being gay, expressing frustrations at the constant speculation about his personal life. He said, "I'm not gay. It's hard being an artist in Mzansi because every time people make up stories about your finances and relationships." He also mentioned past relationships, admitting to having multiple girlfriends at one point, but emphasizing that he's moved past that phase. This response came after Tebogo Mashego, whom Young Stunna had mocked on social media, escalated the rumors. Young Stunna's denial was met with mixed reactions online, with some supporting his right to privacy, while others were questioning why he felt the need to address it. Young Stunna's response highlights the invasive nature of fame, where personal details become public property. The allegations also reflect broader cultural tensions in South Africa around sexuality and masculinity, particularly in the entertainment industry. Some users pointed out that denying such rumors can sometimes reinforce stigma, while others argued that it is his right to clarify his identity. Legally, there's little Young Stunna can do about rumors, unless they lead to defamation, but the emotional toll is significant. Meanwhile, culturally, this incident underscores the challenges faced by public figures in a society where homophobia and speculation can derail careers. Experts suggest that while Young Stunna's denial might protect his image, it also misses an opportunity to challenge harmful stereotypes. The allegations also tie into the ongoing debate about privacy versus public interest. Young Stunna's frustration with constant allegations resonates with many artists, but it also raises questions about how we as a society treat personal lives. Young Stunna's address of the public allegations is a reminder of the personal battles behind public personas. It's not just about him, it's about how we navigate identity, privacy and respect in the digital age. What do you think? Should artists have to address such rumors? Or is it time we let personal life stay personal? Drop your thoughts below. If this video moved you, like, share and subscribe for more stories from Mzansi. Thanks for watching and let's hope for a future where identity is celebrated and not criticized.